Good morning to all of you. This is Ori Geography Learning. I'm Sri Langovan. From this video, we are going to discuss the important days. Important days. Just I given a 10 important days from this video. First, the March 8. The March 8. I mean, what day we are celebrating on March 8? This question. The March 8 usually this is when we start the video first we start with the women's. So this March 8 is a celebration of World Women's Day. World Women's March 8 is a World Women's Day. We should be giving the respect to the women because of the woman is a eye of our nation. Not only for our nation, it's also in the world. This is considered as the eye of the society, eye of the nation because they are a good personality. We are come from the women. That's why this is March 8th. We are celebrating as a women's World Women's Day, and then May 2nd Sunday. May 2nd Sunday is a very special day because of in this personality is a Holy Then Temple. Holy Then Temple. Who is considered as the Holy Then Temple? I mean, World Mother's Day. The mother, the mummy or mothers is a holier than the God, than the temple. And Mata, Pita, Guru and Devam, that Mata is a mummy. Like they are first God of the society. That's why the second Sunday, May 2nd Sunday, we are celebrating as a World Mother's Day. All the human beings are come from the mother. That's why we are celebrating and we are giving importance to the mother. The second Sunday, May 2nd Sunday, celebrating as a World Mother's Day. June 5th. What is the importance of June 5th? Very well. Environment Day. We are celebrating on this day, June 5th, called as Environment Day because of we should be protect our environment. Environment means nothing. It's what are the features or lies around us. It's known as environment. We should be encourage and should be protect the environment and should be giving the awareness among the students how to protect the environment. So the June 5th is every year June 5th are celebrating as a World Environment Day. And then fourth important day is July 11. July 11 is very important day because the day is celebrating as a World Population Day. World Population Day. The July 11 is celebrating as a World Population Day, but because why in these days celebrating the world population is crossed more than 759 crores nowadays the world population crosses more than 759 crores. Is not good for our world because of it is creating a various kind of problems, especially the unemployment opportunity and also the famine and poverty. These are lead by this. So we should be control the population through the government has taken a various measure. Especially the Indian government are taking that family planning project and as well as various kind of important programs were implemented by the government of India to reducing the population. But because now our population, Indian population is crossed more than 130 crores on present day, according to 2011 data, 121 crores of populations in India. And so in China crossed more than 150 crores. I mean 250 crores of population, 270, I think 270 crores of populations are lies only in India and Pakistan. Remaining 50 crores are lies all over the world. So we should be control the population. That's why we are celebrating the World Population Day on July 11. On this day, we are taking resolutions to how to control the population, and as well as the government should take a measure to control the population. And then September 16th, 6th September 16th, what is the importance of on this day? September 16th, very important day because of the World Ozone Day. We are celebrating, we are observed, not celebrating, we are observed World Ozone Day. World Ozone, because the ozone is a layer. The layer lies on the atmosphere between troposphere and the stratosphere. In this layer is made up of O3, ozone 3, I mean oxygen 3 molecules. In this layer is helping us to protect the human beings from the UV rays, ultra radiation has come from the sun. In this layer is act as a filter, in the filter to filters to helping us to reducing the ultraviolet rays penetration into the earth, and as well as it reflect the rays from the layer. So we should be protect these layers. I mean various kind of human activities are threaten this layer, especially the CFC, chlorofluorocarbon and hydrofluorocarbon and CO2, carbon dioxide. In these various kind of the greenhouse gases we are emitted from the surface of the earth using the various electrical appliances. We should be reducing like this, like a fridge, refrigerator, washing machine, and other electrical appliances. So when we are reducing this, we can save our ozone layer. That's why the Montreal Protocol is also signed on the world to reducing the carbon content. And that's why the World Ozone Day was celebrating on observed on September 16th. And October 2 is also very important days for our Indian history, not only Indian history and also world history, because of our father of nation Gandhiji, the father of nation Gandhiji, Babuji, are called as Gandhiji birthday, and the birthday October 2nd. He was born in 1869 October 2 at Bodhbandar in Gujarat state. On this day was celebrated October 2nd is celebrated as a international non-violence day. International non-violence day. Non-violence is a great weapons. It is a great weapons. In the weapons are forced. In the weapons is taken by Mr. Gandhiji during the freedom struggle. Non-violence is nothing that the freedom getting from the British peoples without a sword, without a weapons, is known as a non-violence method. So non-violence day is celebrating October 2nd. Not only Indian, all over the people are celebrating this day, October 2nd, as the International Non-Violence Day. Non-violence day. Non-violence is a great forces to remove the mankind. And next October 4. What is the importance of the October 4? In this day, the world wildlife welfare. World Wildlife Welfare Day we are celebrating on October 4th. October 4th we are celebrating the World Wildlife Welfare Day. During this day we should be, and not only during this day, and as well as we should be protect the wildlife like a tiger, cheetah, and deer, and various kind of wildlife as living on the forest. That we should be protect our biodiversity systems. It is very important for the human beings. So we should be celebrating on October 4 as a World Wildlife Welfare Day. The Indian government is also that enacted the World Wildlife Protection Act in 1972. It introduced a new act, World Wildlife Protection Act in 1972. It protects various kind of animals in India, especially the Indian government introducing the Project Tiger in 1973, Project Tigers programs, and as well as in 1993, the Project Elephants also were implemented by the government of India for the protection of wildlife. And also we are making that making awareness among students about wildlife protection is very important for one of our country. And December 10 and important 8th days, important one more question, that December 10, what day we are celebrating on December 10? The World Human Rights Day, World Human Rights Day, World Human Rights Day. December 10 is the World Human Rights Day. Every year, very well, Nobel Prize are given on this day, December 10, World Human Rights Day. In this day, the United Nations UNO accepted the World Human Rights declaration on this day. That's why in this day we're celebrating as a December 10 as a World Human Rights Day. In this protocol or proclamation to determine that the human rights, September 8, then 9th September 8. What is the importance of this day? The World Literacy Day. World Literacy Day is September 8th. We are celebrating as a World Literacy Day. In this day, what is the importance of this day? So we should promote our education to the each countries because of the educational level is going down in the world countries because of most of the women. In the earlier stages, the women did not allow to the school. That's why the literacy rate is going down. But now that all the people are getting awareness, so the people are going to schools, the students and going to school, they are promoting our education from the next level. So India government is also introducing the new educational policy. In this policy, helping us to promote our education to the world level. You know that as per 2011 data, more than 74% of the Indians are got education, and remaining people are not getting education. In some states are very low level of education literacy rate recorded, especially Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. So we should be increasing the literacy rate in the state level. The first number one in Kerala state in South India as a number one states of literacy rate, and Tamil Nadu also more than 84% of the people are getting education. So and then 10th important question, June 3rd Sunday. June 3rd Sunday is very important day, sir. So in this day we are celebrating World Father's Day. World Father's Day we are celebrating on June 3rd Sunday. We should be giving respect to our father, because our father is a vehicle of the family and the head of the family also. Thank you.